Okay, so for question 23, I was given the z-score, the mean, and the standard deviation, and I had to find the data value that corresponds with that. So I knew if I put the z-score equals x minus the mean divided by the standard deviation, that was how I was going to find the problem. So I'll just explain the first one. So for the first one, the z-score was negative 1.4 equals x minus 19 divided by 6.1. So what I first did was I multiplied both sides by 6.1. That negates it on the right side, but on the left side I did negative 1.4 times 6.1. That equals negative 8.5, which left me with negative 8.5 equals x minus 17. So I added 19 to both sides. That negates it on the right side. And then for the left side, I had to do 19 minus 8.5, which equals 10.5. And that is the answer, which means x equals 10.5. I did the exact same thing for the second one. The only difference was that the z-score for that was 1.97, so I times that by 6.1, negated on the right side, then I added 19 to that. That negates it on the right side as well, which ends with 19 plus 12, which equals 31, and that is the data value for the second question. So that is how I was able to answer 23 and find the data values when given the z-score, the mean, and the standard deviation.